Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing your meal delivery or tiffin service business. So let's take an example that you have a meal delivery or tiffin service business. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running Facebook lead ads on that page. So whenever someone clicks on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will get open. Now, you want that whenever that Facebook lead ad form is filled by a customer, your meal delivery or your tiffin service brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your leads or your customers from the Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, then attach your meal delivery brochure and send it to the customer. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a form is filled on the Facebook lead ad forms, automatically your meal delivery brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook page, A to Z Tiffin Center, and this is the Facebook lead ad form. So now I want whenever this particular form is filled, automatically the brochure which I have saved in my Google Drive, it should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So let us fill this form first. I'll just give the email address as 𝗪𝗵𝘆11@gmail.com. I'll give the full name as Adam Smith. I'll give the mobile number over here. And now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let's check the WhatsApp. And here we can find, hello Adam Smith. Thank you for showing your interest in A to Z Tiffin Center. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. You can find all the services which we offer in our Tiffin Center. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, A to Z Tiffin Center. Okay. So now here you can see our correct message is displayed over here. As well as let us check this link also. What is there inside this link? So here I can find Tiffin Center brochure.pdf. Okay. So a Tiffin Center brochure is shared on the customer's WhatsApp number. So here you might be wondering that I just filled this particular form, the Facebook lead ad form, and automatically the brochure which was saved in my Google Drive, it is shared with the customer on his WhatsApp number along with a message. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So let me show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Facebook and Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ad forms, the same data will be used and your meal delivery brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customers. And here we are going to use 360 dialog application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process. For this, let us type Pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as Use WhatsApp for marketing your meal delivery tiffin service business. And here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement also. And let's click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically your tiffin service brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. Okay. And now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect. They are just connected because I was logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating the connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here you have to select the page and lead generation form. So we'll just have to select the page that we have created on our Facebook account. So I'll just go to the Facebook account and here I have created the page that is A to Z Tiffin Center. So I'll be selecting this particular page now. Let us select A to Z Tiffin Center here. Now here we can see that lead generation form is automatically captured just because I have created a single form in this particular page. If you have created multiple forms, so from the drop down you can select the form whatever you want to select. So I just have one form, so I'll be selecting this. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to this particular form and we have to create an entry. We have to fill up the form just because whenever we click on save and send test request, it will automatically capture the recent response. For that, I'll just go to the form and here we'll have to create an entry. So let's give the email address as 𝗏𝙗𝗪𝗏25@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as 𝗏𝙗𝗪𝗏 and I'll be giving the phone number over here. And let's click on next and submit. Okay, thanks, you're all set. So the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here, now we have to click on save and send test request. And now the response is received. And we can see full name as 𝗏𝙗𝗪𝗏, her phone number and the email address is captured over here. Now we want to send the WhatsApp message, the brochure to this particular customer on this mobile number. For that, we have to come to this action window. And here we have to select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, we have to select Send Template Message. Now let's click on Connect. Here we have to click on Add New Connection. Now let us read the instructions because API key and domain are required. So enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API Key button. Okay, so first we have to go to 360 Dialog account and then we'll be moving to WhatsApp account page. This is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to this WhatsApp accounts. And here we can find Generate API Key option. Simply click on this Generate API Key. You have to generate the API key. Then copy that API key. Go to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. Now domain is required. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So we will simply copy this example from here and we will paste the example here. Now once our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In my case, I have received this particular domain name, so I am just pasting the same. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. After pasting API key here and domain name, just click on save. As I already have a connection, I'll just click on choose existing connection and I'll just click on save. And now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once the template is approved, then only the same template can be used for sending the messages. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just take you to my 360 dialog account once again, and here we can find manage templates option. Click on this. These are several templates which I have already created and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign, add template. From here, you can select the template name. Here, you can select the category. There are various categories available. So you can select as per your requirement. Here, you can select the language of your choice. From here, you can select the template type. And here, you can give the template body text. That is the message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on preview and submit. Then it will be going for the approval. Once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages. Okay. So I'll just close this particular template, and here I'll just open the template which I have already created and got it approved, that is send brochure final template. So here, hello, I want the name of the customer. So I have given some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in curly braces. So you might be thinking why I have kept these numbers in curly braces. Just because these are the body fields, and the values of these particular body fields are going to change every time as per the customer. So every time the customer name is going to change. In this way, various parameters will be changing. Okay. Now here we want hello, the name of the customer. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your Tiffin center or your meal delivery business name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our Tiffin center. Here you can give the link of the brochure of your Tiffin center. Then for more details, you can visit our website. Here the website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and again here you can give your Tiffin center organization name. Okay. Now we have to select this template send brochure final in Pabbly Connect. So let us select the template name, that is send brochure final. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now we have to give the recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the message. So we have got the customer details here from Facebook lead ad forms. So basically we are going to map the mobile number from here and the full name of the customer from here. Okay. So let us map the details, recipient mobile number from Facebook lead ads, and let's give the mobile number, this one. And body field 1, example 𝗪𝗪𝗼𝗯𝗪, that's the name of a person. Here in the template also we require the first parameter as the name of the customer. So let us go to Pabbly Connect, and here let us select the customer name from Facebook lead ads, and Shikha Arya was the customer name. Okay. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, thank you for showing your interest in. Here your Tiffin center name is going to come. So the Tiffin center name is A to Z Tiffin Center. So we have to write this in Pabbly Connect. Here we have to give the body field 2, that is A to Z Tiffin Center. Now body field 3, example software. Here in the template, meanwhile you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our, again you can give Tiffin center only. So I'll just type Tiffin center. Okay. Now body field 4, here we have to give a link. In the template also we want the link, so I have just pasted the brochure of my Tiffin center into my Google Drive over here. So I'll simply make a right click. I'll click on share option, and here I can find get link option. I'll simply click on copy link. The link is copied to the clipboard. I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'll just paste the link over here. Now body field 5, example pabbly.com, that is the name of a website. Here in the template, the website address is required as the 5th parameter. So we can give the website address from this. I'll just copy the URL, I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it over here. Okay. Now body field 6, example Pabbly, that's the name of a company. Here again we have to give thank you, regards, the Tiffin Center name once again. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect. I'll simply copy this Tiffin Center name from here and I will retype it over here. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the responses received. So let's move to WhatsApp and check whether the customer has received any message or not. So here we can see a new message. Hello Shikarya, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z Tiffin Center. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our Tiffin Center. Link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, A to Z Tiffin Center. Okay. So here we can see this was the first body field parameter. This was the second one, A to Z Tiffin Center. This was the third parameter, Tiffin Center. The fourth one was this link. Fifth one was this website address. And the last one was this A to Z Tiffin Center. So here we can see that all the body fields and their values are correctly pasted in this message. Now let us check this link also. What is there inside this link? And here I can find Tiffin Center brochure.pdf file. Okay, so the Tiffin Center brochure is shared with the customer over here. Okay, so now here we can see that the correct message and the correct link of the brochure is shared with the customer. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that, again we'll have to go to Facebook lead ad forms and let us fill the form on the name of some other customer. And this time let us give the email address as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆 and let's give the full name as Sanjay Sharma and let's give the mobile number over here. And now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let's go to WhatsApp and check whether this particular customer, that is Sanjay Sharma, has received any message or not. And here we can see a message. Hello Sanjay Sharma, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z Tiffin Center. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Okay, so the same message is sent to this particular customer also. Now let us recheck this link. What is there inside this link? And here we can see Tiffin Center brochure.pdf. Okay, so the Tiffin Center is shared with this particular customer also. Okay, so now in this way we can see that we have created a successful integration and the integration is perfectly working fine with the correct message and correct brochure is shared with the customer. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your Tiffin Center brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way, we have created the successful integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.